y'all, welcome to this episode of the Rocket Family Outdoors, y'all. We finally got the boat going. This is this maiden voyage. We're gonna head upriver, see if we can catch some big old kitty cats. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, finally, no more trolling motor, guys. We are on the river in style. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. For today, for bait, we really didn't have time to go out bait fishing or anything. So, thanks to the local Asian market, we got some Indian mackerel. Hey, and some baby round scab. Hey, they look bloody. Look, you know, anything bloody, catfish love it. So let's see if we can get us a big one off of some baby round scab from Asia. So, see how good it does. All right.
Yummy.
Yeah, real. He's on there. Step back. Is he on there?
Oh, I think that's stuck. I don't think it's fish. Oh, it might be. Hold on.
Tip up.
Unless it's stuck off that. No, that's a fish.
Yeah. First one, y'all. First one in the new boat. Left.
I'm trying. I got him. I got it. Look at my
Oh, channel rat. Oh, channel rat.
I reeled it in too much.
Do you want the grippers?
Oh, I went through.
He was on there for a second. I guarantee you he was.
Oh. Here, I'm gonna need your help. I'll hold this.
Okay.
Ugh, I got slime in my eye.
Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. Oh, come on, guy.
Well, your little depth finder was right.
Little 1980. There you go.
Oh, wonderful. I got it. Oh, you got your finger.
Yeah. Hey, get your fish. You want the grippers?
No.
Hey, the boat is broke in, folks. We got us a nice little eater channel cat. Alright, got my live bug going. We'll see if we can get another one. And we're sitting here catching us some bluegill for some flatties tonight, hopefully. Got him. That's a flatty. That's a bait size. Good old flatty. Oh, wow, well.
You scared them. Here, fix that.
There you go. He's on there. Reel, baby, reel.
I'm trying.
You got a reel first, though. You on there? About time, little channel rat. Oh, that's a little blue. No, that's a little blue. Little blue. Little blue. He been pecking at it for I can't tell you how long.
Hold up. Don't hook me.
Yep, roll it out. Looks bigger than his mouth.
All right, we're keeping it.
Keeping it?
Huh?
Yeah.
Move this. Oh, I'll bleed up there.
Really?
Yeah.
We gotta get a better area there. You know a piece out there, see? You know. That bait's probably gone.
Oh, no.
Is there a fish on there?
I think there is. Oh, unless we're stuck on something.
That's a fish.
No, it's not.
It's a fish.
I think we're partially stuck on the...
No, I think you got a fish.
What?
Well, who's that? It might be a flathead. Cause I'll tell you, if he's had that hook that whole time, he was just sitting there with it. It looks like a little flathead.
That ain't a fish.
Ah, it's a turtle.
No, it is not a turtle, is
It's
it?
a soft-shell turtle.
Oh, I got a bad snack. Oh, poor thing. Did he just snap you? Oh, he's trying to go.
That's no bueno.
Okay, so what? That's barely hooked. It's barely hooked.
I know. Don't do that. Where's them pliers that I got today?
It's on the way, little buddy. All right.
So that's what's been going on with it. Been a turtle. Should have known. All right, put another bait on it.
You put another bait on it.
I said, let's put another bait on it. Nah.
You have one right here.
And
Oh, yeah, it's not on the... No, that's on it. Son of a bitch.
prematurely.
I didn't want it to go down. I'm gonna cast it back out. Okay.
All right.
Right there. We're 6 foot, over 6 foot now.
I want to go to the other side of that beach.
We're 7 foot, almost 8. We're in 8 foot of water. 9 foot. Oh, we got a swarm of something. It looks like right here.
So we need the freaking cat.
It's a bunch right here. Oh, I thought I got something in my shirt. You calling somebody?
Yeah.
Who you calling? Huh? Howie?
I can't even see it. Something on it?
Yeah, something's on it. Unless we're stuck. Oh, oh, this is big. How many?
Where's the camera?
Do you want it? You got that camera here.
Yeah. On the little rod. On the little rod.
You got your button on?
Yeah. Boy. Amber's down here on the floor of the boat, y'all. Oh. You're like all up in the...
Sorry.
Yep.
The lighting in here is really good.
Yeah. Finally, y'all. Here we go. Well, y'all, the bite tonight has been extremely slow. But you know what? We caught 3. Can't complain out here. We brought the new boat in. I think I got one more cut up bait I already cut up. I might throw it back out there. But hey man, on the little rod, that's a fun little fish on a little light rod. So I much appreciate it, guy. Let you go back to the depths, my friend. Oh yeah, definitely put the... Alright, dude. Hey y'all, I didn't say it tonight. We didn't get skunked. Thanks for playing, my guy.
Don't let him take your grippers.
He ain't taking my grippers. There you go. Majestic. I thought that pole was moving. Majestic. Hey, 3 fish night ain't that bad. This is slow. They've been biting so weird. Like, that was the only takedown we had tonight. Even those ones that the other ones we caught, it wasn't much of a takedown at all. It was just a little, you know. So happy to catch one. Well, guys, we made it home for tonight. Unfortunately, when we went to go put the boat up on the trailer, it wouldn't go into gear, reverse or forward. So we gotta see what that's about. But all in all, it was a good first time out with the boat. Gotta get it fixed and got other things to do. But until the next one, we didn't get skunked, and we'll see y'all on the next one.